Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw BlackPink's Lisa from her Rockstar music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Lisa, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. Now there are two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And now that our eyes in, let's go ahead and we're going to spruce them up with some lashes. I'm going to come to the sides right here. And let's say one long one and then another one that's a little bit shorter. And same thing here. Nice long and a little bit shorter. There. Then from there, let's draw her brow. So I'm going to go straight up and let's say about right here. Go ahead and draw her brow. So I'm just going to draw a slight angle and then down. And thicken it up slightly. So same thing on the other eye, but right here, slight angle and then down. There. And then let's give Lisa a sweet smile. So right about here in the center, we're going to go ahead and just give her a smirk smile, so slightly upwards, and cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to use the top of my eye, about right here, and give myself a point, and same thing here. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and just come down to draw this basic bottom of a U. And I'm going to find my center, just I'm kind of imagining how low I want it. So let's say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And just draw a curve to my point. So it's because I'm drawing big, so it just makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going with these points. But if you're not drawing that big, you can probably just go ahead and draw this curve without doing that. But I am going to try my best here to draw that curve for her face, and then from there I'm going to bring this up a little bit higher to where her brow is, and then let's come back to about right here where her eye is, and we're just going to draw her ear and some details right here, two little curves. So same thing here, and two little curves. And if you like, you can even put in some details. Just maybe some of these earrings that she has. Now I'll have to come in there and white that out for a circle and that too. But my Sharpie got a little too thick. But from there, let's go ahead and draw her hair, the bangs that she has. And so let's say about, go nice and high. I'm just going to come to the side of about right here. I'm just going to start, give myself a point. And we're going to draw this cool hairstyle that she has. So we're going to curve one strand right about there. Thicken it up. And then come down all the way back. So the main point is this one strand, and then about right here, go ahead and just bring it back, and whatever space you have, connect it. Then from there, we're going to come back about right here and here over her ears, and go ahead and draw the top of her head. So I'm going to go up nice and high. Just say about right there. And angle it in. So I'm angling as I bring it in. So it's very subtle, but it's not just one big round dome. You want to give it some angles and bring it in. Then from there, before I forget, there's one more strand we need to put in here. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and then open it up so that we know that there's another strand here for her hair. Then at the top, we need to draw these cute, this cute bun that she has. So I'll say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve. It's kind of messy, so I'm just going to kind of just draw this little, as long as it kind of looks like a bun at the top. And maybe here, a little stripe, like that blue that she has, and then the other side is coming down. Another stripe there. And let's see, and then she has some of these things coming out. And on this side as well. You make it nice and light, which is hard with a Sharpie, right? But something like that, just to add some color to her hair. And then from there, before we finish the rest of her hair, let's go ahead and draw her body. So I'm going to come to the center and give her a little neck. And today we're not going to go ahead and draw her shoulders. We're just going to come right about there now that we have the neck. And we're going to draw this soft curve that comes out. Just draw the soft curve, and this is going to come out to like where her armpits would be, around there. And then from there, we're going to come and angle it down, because she has a very unique outfit that we need to draw. So we're just kind of drawing this shape. Then from there, let's go ahead and bring this down a little bit more so we know where her top is and where her bottom is going to start. So let's say about right there, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off so we know what we're working with. There. Okay, so now let's come back up. We're going to give her this little curve right here. And then we're going to draw a star. And so we're going to make sure that right here as we come down, this part right here hits the star. So this is down and then hits the armpit area that we angled in. Then let's see here, we're going to come right about here. We need to draw this star top that she has. Then we're going to bring it out and bring it back to the center. There, something like that. Curve and then connect everything. There, and then there's like a patch right here for her top. Okay, so as long as we have a star in there, kind of looks like it hopefully, then we're going to bring this down for her pants. Just going to wobble a little bit. She has these really baggy pants. And then I'm going to make it really low, so I'm going to say about right here. Just going to add an angle line, and then in the center, we're going to part it for her legs. There, and so let's bring this down. Just kind of wobbling as we come down, and then they're going to be thicker and baggier. So, and then about right here, just go ahead and wobble and connect. So same thing on the other side. So it's a very detailed pair of pants, but we're just going to try to simplify as much as possible. So something like that, and then from there we're just going to go ahead and come about right here and draw a pair of boots for her. So come down with a curve. This part's a little bit straighter and connect. Detail on the bottom, then the top, and then right here I'm just going to add some lines. So same thing on this side. There. Okay, so then from there, let's add some details on this pair of pants that she has. So let's say about right here, we're gonna cut it to slant, and right about here as well, we're just gonna, this part that's kind of wraps around. Some lines here, and then there's this buckle part. Just bear with me here. I'm not too sure what I'm doing, but just try and make it look a little bit like it. And then there's some parts right here, some lines, and maybe you can put a little line there. Add some pockets, nice big pockets, and maybe another one here. There. It's my version of her pants. They're so cool. Actually, I love these pair of pants. Okay. And then for her arms. Okay, so the reason we're cutting it off here is because she has this jacket that that is very unique. So we're going to come right about here, and we're going to draw the cuff. So imagine her shoulder. We're just going to come out. And then right about here, we're just going to curve it in. So same thing here, as if you're drawing her shoulder, but then you're just going to cut it off with this wing kind of shape. Then from there, we're going to have this hand on her hip around here. So I'm going to come right about here, and we're going to angle it to about there. Bring it in to about here, give a little cuff, and then her hands. There. And let's see here on this side, let's just have her hands kind of behind, kind of tucked into her pocket. So let's see about right here. I'm gonna come down and just bring it in. And there. There. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we have that. And then we can go ahead and finish her hair. So on this side, we're just going to have it flowing this way. And then come over here. And we're going to curve it down. Maybe a little zigzag for strands, and then bring it in. So her hair is just kind of flowing, and then if you like, you can even put in another strand here, just to give her hair more movement. For another strand, and that is pretty much it. I'm gonna fix my star here. And hopefully I didn't overcomplicate this for you, and I helped you draw her Lisa here in this awesome new music video that she has with all her, I just love the outfit she has in this video. But hopefully I picked the right one and you love this one, and I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.